Okay, so this video is gonna be one take, no edits, to see if this actually works. You guys ever see this guy, Magic John, on TikTok? He talks about no dust, no air bubbles, 30-second application. So I bought it. No sponsor. He didn't send this to me or anything like that. I want to see if it's actually worth the hype and if it actually works. Because one of the main things that I'm really anal about with my phone is actually applying the screen protector. Because if you look at your phone all day, every day, I don't know what it is about me. I can't stand the little air bubbles. So I take forever to apply the screen to make sure that it's perfect. And if it's not, I actually go out of my way to buy a new screen protector. So one shot. No edits here. We're going to take my current screen protector off. I'm just going to wipe it down really quick. We'll see what's in the box. I'm going to apply it just like how he does in the TikTok videos, and we'll see if it's worth the hype. And I'll tell you what, if it is, I'll throw an affiliate link inside of the description so you guys can get it for yourself. If it's not, then screw them. We're not going to do it, okay? So first order of business here is taking off my current screen protector. Like that. Okay. And the thing is with screen protectors is when you take them off, there is some dust around here. So I do want to play fair a little bit and wipe that off to give myself a little clean slate. What's in the box that he has here? He's got an installation kit that seems to come with a wet wipe, microfiber cloth, and a dust removal sticker. He's got some QR code that you can scan, so you can watch his tutorial video there. He's got another one of these because 2 comes in the box, okay? Now, pretty good deal, $14 for 2 of them. It took about 2 days to ship out, I think, and 2 or 3 more days for it to actually get to my house. So a little less than a week, about 4 or 5 days, I'd say. Not too long, okay? So I'll play fair. I'll go ahead and open the installation kit here, which probably just has like stuff that you can really wipe off and wipe down your phone with. So nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to take this cloth and just wipe off the little dust that there is that I have on my phone. Okay. So I am going to play fair here. I'm not going to be like those people online that be like throwing hella dust all on their screen just to see if it removes it and stuff like that. I will be fair about this, okay? So we have this, and then we have a dust removal sticker. I don't know if this is necessary because apparently there's a dust removal sticker already on the application thing itself, but I'll just do it because it's already included in the box. I'm excited to see if this works because I can also apply it on my girlfriend's phone screen if it works. All right, you guys ready for the moment of truth? Here we go. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take this out. We are going to pull it outside of the plastic like this. And okay, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to apply it just like this, top and the bottom. Make sure it matches. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's looking like it's matching. I think my flashlight went off by accident because I touched it. There we go. So what we're going to do, I think it's applied on properly now. What I'm going to do is we're going to pull to swipe this part off like this, just like how he says in the videos. So we're pulling. And then we are swiping, just like he says here. And then we are peeling up. Oh, goodness. This part is actually a little bit more difficult than it is in the videos, just like that. We are pushing up, just like he says. Okay. Pushing up just like he says. I'll give it like 10 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and remove. Just like he says. I do see bubbles on here already. I don't know if you guys can, I'll try to move it in the light. There you go, there you go, there you go. You see this? Bubbles. Hopefully these bubbles here should, if I just push it down like this, these should come up or they should come off at least if I pull this top part off. So let's take a look. Pulling this off just like that. And is there actually no dust, no air bubbles? No, actually not for me. I do have some bubbles right here. I don't know if I did this wrong, and it might be just as easy as me just pushing and then having it disappear just like that. Nope, it is actually not as easy as that. So sorry, Magic John. Maybe I did it wrong. I'm not sure. This was just a one-time application process for me. But no, it was not as easy as you said in the videos, my guy. I'm sorry, but there is dust and air bubbles. I'll tell you what. Let me try it again a second time and see if it works the second time. So I'll go ahead and take this off just like that. And we'll try a second one because there is another one that comes in the case or in the box as well. Okay, so again, we'll take this, we'll play fair. I'll go ahead and open up the second installation kit that comes with it and everything inside, which is, it comes with a wet wipe. Maybe that's not the thing that I did before that maybe I should have done. A little bit deceiving because he does not do this on the TikTok videos, right? He doesn't do the wet wipe. He doesn't do the, all of that. So the actual process might take a little bit longer. So here's what I'll do. I'll do wet wipe, just like that, right? And then I'll do wipe down with microfiber cloth, just like this. Okay. And then we'll do the dust removal sticker here, just like this. Boom, 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 boom. Just like how he wants us to do. I think I opened up my camera by accident. Let me swipe up. Let me just do this part again. Okay. And here we go. Let's try it again for a second time just to make sure it wasn't user error the first time. Okay. So what we're going to do is put it on just like this, just like how he says. And we are going to swipe down the dust removing tape, just like he says, just like that. We are going to swipe here, just like how he says. We are going to pull up, just like this. Oh my goodness, just like he says. And we are going to push up, just like this, just like he says, okay? And then I guess we're gonna wait for it for a little bit to settle. Now I'll go ahead and take it off, just like how he does in the videos. There's still bubbles here, I notice. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. There are still bubbles, big ones here and here, up here, and up here. And hopefully, once I pull this down, they will go away. So, pulling this off. And again, you guys, you see, I still have 2 air bubbles here, 2 pretty big ones as well. And if I push them away like this, yeah, it's not working for me, you guys. And the thing is, I like to do this from the perspective of an average consumer. I am an average consumer at the end of the day. So if an average normal person were to see an ad like this on TikTok, buy it and think they can get the same results as Magic John, maybe sometimes you will, maybe sometimes you don't. But just from me being the average consumer, watching something like that on TikTok, seeing that I can replicate it with the speed that he does it to get the same result, this unfortunately was not the result for me. Okay, so Magic John, you failed me here, man. So I actually do not give this product a pass. I will not put this product in the description with any type of affiliate links. If you guys actually have purchased the Magic John iPhone screen protector or whatever model it is, and it has worked perfectly fine for you, please leave your feedback in the comments. Maybe I did something wrong. I feel like it should be straightforward and just be able to copy what he did on the video just as advertised. But maybe I did do something wrong. Maybe I didn't. I don't know, but you guys let me know. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.
Now he's thinking about me.